Say her little petals like a newborn baby. It's so pinky, isn't it? Now she started looking around. As you see your mom, dad, and relatives around you. Oops, she has opened one petal now. Like your very first step on the floor. Can you remember it? But your parents never forget. Look at her now. Looking forward to spreading her petals to show her beauty to the world. At last, it is now a beautiful flower with good smell. But every flower has their own story. Behind the beauty they have. Flowers need the right weather, temperature, and certain amount of sunlight to bloom. Overwatering, on the other hand, might wilt its petals. Flowers dry due to a lack of water and exposure to direct sunlight. That is why your parents feed you, teach you to practice good habits and qualities you should have in your lives. Cruel insects attacked and eat the petals of the flower. So they are unable to flee the enemies. But think about you. You have your parents, elders, and teachers to protect you from the harshness of the world. That is why their advices and guidance are always with you. Everyone is blessed when flowers bloom with good smell. Butterflies and birds come and feed on nectar. If you bloom like a flower with good qualities, everyone likes you, likes to see you and work with you. So, bloom like a flower, spreading the good smell all over the world.